Hi, College and Career Success. Welcome to week one. So this is going to be your week one lecture video. I am using that word very loosely because week one does not have a chapter associated with it. And so my quote unquote lecture this week will just be like a really brief overview, almost taking the welcome video and just condensing it down to a few minutes before you jump into the week one assignments. So speaking of, if you have not had a chance to watch, I know it's a little longer, it's like 25 minutes. I just really want to make sure students are comfortable with all the different features of our course. I know you take the Succeeding Online Orientation, but that is for any Brightspace course. The welcome video I've uploaded really walks you through our course in particular. So I also encourage you to spend some time in this Start Here section. You're going to kind of get a course overview, a real general instructor welcome from me. There's your syllabus again, and some other links that may be of assistance to you as you are getting started this fall semester. I am here in the lessons area, and you can see also there's another link to that textbook access that I will show you again when we get into kind of actually working within the book itself, but I do go into detail with the textbook access in your welcome video. And I do want to point out that your student services assignment, I mentioned this in the welcome video, but it is updated in my SSC, which I was so glad to see already. So we do have workshops already loaded, and so I will go ahead and get a video specifically just for the workshop assignment. I will record that and I will upload it right here. You can see there's already one right there from the spring semester when I just taught this class. So I will go ahead and record that and place it right here. And I actually, all of my online classes have to complete the student's workshop assignment. So you'll hear me use other class names as well, but that will be separate. But just make sure you know that you have to complete this workshop assignment by the end of your semester. Those of you who are in a 16-week course, that means you have until December to finish it, which seems like a long time, but we really want to make sure we get a hold of that sooner. Then underneath there, this is week one. So this right here is where the video I'm recording right now will go. It's just really showing you kind of some basics of the week. Here is where your assignment video is going to be uploaded. So I will update from the spring one, I'll update one for fall that's specific to what you guys are going to be looking at. And then this is just a quick little Dropbox video just to like, hey, this is how you Dropbox or submit a file assignment. So hopefully these are helpful to you as well. I always encourage students, please watch the assignment videos because I really do, for the most part, address any question that students might have on how to complete certain assignments. So these are kind of your prep work for the week. All weeks will have that. Week one, week two, and so on will have a week's worth of videos. Usually there's just going to be two, a lecture and an assignment. Underneath there then is your week one actual folder. So you have a snapshot of like, hey, this is what's going on this week. You can see there is a discussion board, so you have to post by Wednesday. Inside my assignment video for this week, I will walk you through how to post, and then you have a couple other assignments that you're completing by Sunday as well. The materials folder has a slideshow of one of the contents that you'll need for one of the assignments. Then there's some other kind of resources here, you know, like to lead you to, they just updated there we go. So they just updated the website over the summer. So I was hoping all of this would be pretty manageable to just click right over. But there's some orientation, you know, frequently asked questions. Feel free to look around at these if you feel like they're going to be helpful. Some college resources. So if you were like, hey, I really need to see how to buy my books, you know, there's some quick links there to help get you. There's some handshake information, which I will talk more about in the actual assignment video. But this is basically just saying, hey, pay attention to the materials folder because there's often either PowerPoints or links or whatever it might be to help you for the week. And then, of course, you have an assignment folder, which is where your actual assignments will be housed, which I will go into detail on those on the assignment video. Just a reminder, you also have the calendar, which has all of your assignments and when they're due in this electronic format. You have access to your grades at any time to see how things are going. You have a place to be able to, there we go, to message me right here. So you have lots of tools over here, and then there are some different resources as well. So basically, this is just a little quick intro, like, hey, we are in week one. Make sure that you have spent some time in the welcome video to really understand how to navigate everything. And then when you feel comfortable, go ahead and take a look at the week one, sorry, a lot of scrolling, week one assignment videos so you know what to do for this week. And as always, I am here via email. Drop into my office on campus. send me, call me on my voicemail, whatever you need, if you need anything. All right, I will see you in the next video.